Dust storms in the Middle East cost about $13 billion annually, and they're getting worse. Between 15 and 20 major dust storms hit here each year, affecting health, agriculture, infrastructure, even climate. Now researchers are using AI and satellite data to predict where dust will start. In Iran, their model identifies dust source areas with 91% accuracy. AI factors in wind, vegetation, soil, and even those sudden cyclones called cyclogenesis. These cyclone-driven storms are a wild card, but tracking them could improve forecasts. Better models, backed by ground sensors and satellites, are key for future climate planning. With smarter forecasting, communities can prepare and reduce the billions in damage.